Good morning, students. In our previous video, I have explained you the background of the story, and in this one, we will proceed with the story now. Before starting the reading of the lesson, I would like to share some difficult words which you have to learn and note down in your notebooks. Our first difficult word is admire. Second is mushrooms. Third is translucent. Fourth, doubling over. Luggage. Fifth, sixth, strapped. Seventh, concentrated. Eighth, absolutely. Ninth, brilliant. And tenth, disastrous. Learn the spellings of these words and note down them in your notebook with correct spellings. Some word meanings are given on this page. They are translucent, means clear enough to let light pass through, but not transparent. Next one is doubling over, means bending forwards. Third, concentrated, means being made more potent by removing water. Students, I hope you have read again the first 3 paragraphs which I have described in my first video. So let us open the books at page number 17 and start our reading. The one Kolimoli forest was full of the most amazing sights, means the forest was filled with amazing views. Once Pati and the children had mastered the art of staying on the wild ponies, they were able to admire the colorful mushrooms as large as garden umbrellas, the flowers which looked like translucent balloons, and the bushes doubling over with the weight of juicy berries in shades of purple, blue, and red. In this paragraph, the writer has explained the amazing views of the forest, and when the grandmother and the children knew how to sit on wild ponies, they were able to admire the colorful mushrooms, means they were able to enjoy the beauty of the forest. The flowers which look like translucent balloons, means they were transparent, not much more transparent, but looking as. The bushes were filled with juicy berries in the shade of purple, blue, and red colors. Now, next paragraph. Staying on the ponies with their entire luggage strapped onto their backs was not an easy job. Means sitting on ponies with the luggage was very difficult. Without reins and saddles, Pati and the children seemed in danger of sliding off with every bumpy step. The riders have a risk of sliding with any of the bumpy step taken by the ponies, means they can fall off from the ponies anytime. You are a genius, Pati. Your idea of making concentrated version of Wondergo supersonic hair tonic to apply to the pony's manes was absolutely brilliant. Damu wished he had thought of the idea himself. Now that the manes are well oiled, they won't break at the slightest tug. That would be disastrous, wouldn't it? Damu, the assistant of Pati, said these words. Damu said Pati as a brilliant one, that she had made this hair tonic and applied to the pony's manes. That's why they are so much strong that they can hold them. Students, come to next page. Read with me. Yes, if you loosen your grip on their manes, just because chunks of it break off in your hands, you could end up flat on your nose in a bed of poison ivy or get thrown up on a tree right next to a hive of behemoth bees that could sting you to death. This forest is a dangerous place, Pati warned them. I made a concentrated version of Wondergo so that I could carry it in one tiny bottle small enough to be tucked into the purse at my waist. It's extremely concentrated. That's why it looks like dark chocolate. I had to use just a few drops on each pony. Look, the bottle is still almost full. In this paragraph, Pati explains that they have to be very alert while traveling on the back of the ponies. Otherwise, they can fall off from the ponies flat on their nose. They can also fall in a bed of poison ivy or get thrown up just on a tree right next to the hive of behemoth bees, means the poisonous bees that could sting them to death. The forest was very dangerous, and Pati was continuously warning them to be more alert. She was carrying a bottle filled with Wondergo supersonic concentrated that was just looking like as dark chocolate. The first word is broke off, means stopped speaking, and next one is bugged, means kicked its back legs in the air. Students, come to next page. If you ask me, this concentrated version makes hair grow at a real supersonic speed, Vix insisted. I think my pony's mane is longer already. When we started off, I could barely cling on, and now look, he broke off as his pony suddenly bugged, pawed the air with its front legs, kicked up its hind legs like a donkey, and settled down with a thump that made Vic's teeth rattle. Here Vikram accepted the magic of supersonic. But suddenly he got disturbed when his pony bugged, means the pony kicked its back legs in the air and pawed with the front legs. He just got disbalanced and some harm to his teeth. So children, tomorrow again we will continue the story. Till then, you have to read again the page which we have done today.